of Sharkbite. I know this is very soon, but we're here. We're playing Sharkbite. I'm turning off this music because this is too loud and it's probably just gonna cover up my voice for the most part. So, yeah, we're gonna be playing some more Sharkbite. Also, there's something bad that happened. So last video, as soon as I stopped recording, I literally got to be the shark. And the shark was fun, because I actually got to be it, unlike in the first video where I just instantaneously died. But still, it was very fun being the shark. So, I enjoyed. Well, we could get a different shark, or we could get different boats. I think we could get like this boat or this boat. Those would be good. We're gonna have to save up a little bit of money though. Now we're just waiting for this match to end. Dun, 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 dun. Actually, let's edit this boat. What do we want on our boat? Let's add a chair. Chair can sit. 50 things for a chair? I have a life ring that I don't want to be inside. That I don't want to be inside the chair. I don't really want to paint it again. 1,500 for a single turret. Nah. Alright, save and exit. There we go, our boat's a little bit better, and there's only... Sorry, I had to clear my throat, but as... Oh! Well, there's only like 10 seconds left. Go eat the ducky boat. Go! Mr. Shark, yeah! Well, Mr. Shark has killed people. We'll keep it at that. And the shark has been defeated. Hey, somebody actually survived. Besides the shark. Oh, hey, we're up here now. Look. Oh, wait, I'm not on a boat. Oh, time to become Spider-Man. Oh, my ankles! My ankles! Oh, my ankles! Hey, that guy is dressed basically just like my character. Yeah, he got to be the shark. He's gonna be Mr. Sharky. Mr. Pickles. I'm gonna invite him. He invited me. I'm gonna invite them. Oh, it's almost time. Let's drive our boat. Full steam ahead. I need some water. We need to get as far away as we can. Oh, somebody's doing damage to the shark. Is that a ducky raft upside down? Is there anyone in there? I'll save you! I'll save you! I'll save you! There, I've saved you. Oh, the shark's gonna die. Oh, the shark's gonna die. He's 69. Hey, we won. Hey, I got... Oh, wait, that wasn't me. I got confused. Bubble. Bubble. Ah, I'm stuck in a bubble. I'm stuck in a bubble. Help me, I'm stuck in a bubble. Help. Ooh, I've never played this. Oil rig survival. Extraction. Extraction. That sounds fun. We have to survive until rescue comes. Oh, bacon. Bacon gets to turn into shark. Nice, bacon. Nice. Oh, my guest left. I'm not joining anyone's boat. I like my boat. Even though it's basic, I still like my boat. We might be able to make a new boat soon, I'm not sure. Now I need to get out of here before Mr. Shark comes. Uh-oh, Mr. Shark. Hey, Mr. Shark. You don't gotta eat us. Hey, helicopter. There's a helicopter up there. Save us! Save us! Please. Oh, they're doing damage to the shark. Oh. Where even is the shark? Yeah, I want to shoot the shark. Oh. That boat. Oh, whoa. Whoa. My boat just sank and then rise from shore. Helicopters. Hey, if I see a shark, I'm shooting it. I don't trust this. Hey, bot. Don't. Fire them. I'm not gonna hit any of these. Is that a party ship? Get out of here before the shark gets here and eats us. Oh, it's night. Oh, I almost crashed into a tugboat. I'm pretty sure that's a tugboat. I'm just gonna call it a tugboat anyway. The shark could literally be anywhere. Is that the shark? Bah. Hey, I got third place. Nice. Or we can shop. We can almost get this boat. We're literally 20 points away before getting this boat. Or we could save for this boat or this boat. A party boat, cruise ship for 100,000. That's not 10,000. That's 100,000. Hey, if I ever get $100,000, then sure, I'll buy the cruise ship. I almost got to be shark, but alright. Well, we're gonna just sit here. It's still nighttime. That shark could come from anywhere. That shark could literally come from anywhere. He could eat me right now. That's why we're going full steam ahead. And we're gonna stop right here. All stop. Oh, somebody's drowning. Oh, somebody's drowning. There's an attack. But if somebody's drowning, that could mean sharks. Screw it, we'll go. Oh, that's a flare. That's a flare. Oh, boats are being eaten, I think. Let me get this poor man into a boat. get onto the boat? Sorry, I'm being really quiet. I'm just focusing. The shark could literally be anywhere. He could be alive. He could be... Oh, actually, he has to be alive. He still has HP. I see the cruise ship just going around. I was gonna get on the cruise ship, but then I decided not to. Well, let's go. Let's go find some sharks. Maybe. Okay, that's not a shark. Oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Hey, 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 my ship. At least it still had a bunch of air in it so it could float. Oh, that was nice. That was like a transition. That was nice. Oh, we can get a boat now. Actually, let's make a new boat. Oh, come on. Oh, I thought, edit. What hull can we make? We could make that hull. $2,000. Nope. What's the biggest hull we can have? Nope. Nope. I'm gonna buy a new boat. Let's buy the sloop. Let's see if it's good. What? Why ain't the game starting? Get game. You gonna start? Oh, I'm trapped in a bubble. Oh, the game's starting. And somehow I was not there. And there's no shark. Because the shark has 0 HP, the game has just broke itself. And that calls for us to rejoin the server. Let's just rejoin the game. Loading kelp. Nice. Why does it keep turning the music back on? I don't want the music on. And now we have to wait again. And this is how broken the game has gotten. You know, let's just spectate the players. View other players. What is the And this is why nobody's gonna die, because that shark is not doing a single thing. Somebody has a gun, and they're just standing there? That's a paintball gun. Man, this ain't big paintball. Why you got a paintball gun? This is not big paintball. Wait, actually, I do need a new gun, so maybe we'll save up 400 and get the rifle. Well, anyways, he's just sitting there. Committing. Ducky boat. My first ever boat I used. I don't use it now. Because I have big boats. Another ducky boat. Big boat. And big boat is sinking. big boat is missing a piece of it. A big boat is not supposed to do that. Okay, if they could make any updates to this game, I would want them, if I could pick any update for them to make, I would want it where if the shark attacks the boat, it starts to sink. Because come on, that would be sweet. Just getting attacked by a shark and then your boat starts to sink. Like, it would be nice. And man just ran to the other boat. Yeah, this is random. Get to the helicopters. Or even are the helicopters? Get to the helicopters now. Go, go, go. I don't even know why I'm so excited. Just so it's in news. All helicopters are now leaving. There's no shark right there. And the helicopters still have left. Wait, can we see them from the map? Maybe if it was day we would have seen them. Nice. The shark has been defeated. Good job. And another man named Foxy. No, ain't that ironic? Ain't that ironic? Alright. Well, we're gonna test out our new boat. Because a boat. Unless I get to be a shark. Hopefully I get to be a shark because I want to show you. Actually, it's probably going to be man with 22% chance. Huh. Now that's just bad luck there. Yeah, we're using the sloop. Haven't ever used it before. This is a boat. Boats are boats. Let's drive our pirate ship. Cause it is a boat. What the? What happened to my boat? Am I underwater or? Oh no, my boat's fine. Now, you better be afraid of me, Mr. Shark. I got a gun. You know what we have to do. We have to crash into an island. See how this goes. Oh, island! Oh no! No! Oh. My boat almost sank. Hey! No! I got eaten! I got instantaneously eaten! Was that the boat being slow or what? That boat just ate me. Well, what's the speed of... Oh. That boat's extremely slow. I should have just gotten the Viking longship. Wait, no, that's not the boat I was using. This boat's extremely fast. How'd I get eaten by Mr. Shark? Oh, that sucked. Well, I think that's going to be the end of this video. Remember to like and subscribe. Have a good day. I'll see all you dudes in the next video. Goodbye. Oh, hey, the shark one. Anyways, goodbye.